Hey, it's John Tucker with Friend in Roofing. I want to talk about a very common tactic insurance companies and insurance adjusters use during a home claim to cheat you out of the money that is promised to you by your policy. Did your insurance adjuster say that repairs do not have to comply with building codes? Or in the case of this example from this adjuster where people are supposedly in good hands, slope repairs keep the existing structure without significant changes and do not need to meet current building standards. I'm not exactly sure how that makes sense, but hey, let's skip the conversation and just jump into the documentation. So in the building code standards definitions in chapter 2, it states that the building official is defined as the officer or other designated authority charged with the administration and enforcement of codes or a duly authorized representative. This means that your insurance adjuster is not someone with the authority to administer, enforce, or define building codes. So when they say that repairs do not apply to code, we'll just simply thank them for their opinion and remind them that it is not their place to speak about building code standards. Now, when reading building code standards, the word shall is a term used in the code and should be construed as mandatory. If something shall be done, the code book means this absolutely must be done this way. Do not pass go, do it. All right, repair is defined by the code book as the reconstruction, replacement, or renewal of any part of an existing building for the purpose of its maintenance or to correct damage. And specifically, codes talking about codes in chapter 1, the very beginning of residential code standards, it states in R102.7.1, additions, alterations, or repairs, that additions, alterations, repairs, and relocations shall, meaning required, shall not cause an existing structure to become unsafe or adversely affect the performance of the building.